2. Is the Buddha a deity? The Buddha is not a deity. The Buddha is the awakened one who has attained full enlightenment regarding the truth about life and the universe. 3. Who is greater, Buddha or God? According to the Dharma, teachings of Buddhism, all living beings have Buddha nature equal to that of the Buddha. God is one of those living beings. So, the question of who is greater does not exist. 4. Are Shakyamuni Buddha and the Tathagata Buddha, Rulaifo, in the classic Chinese novel Journey to the West, the same person? Tathagata and Buddha have the same meaning. For example, Shakyamuni Buddha can be called Shakyamuni Tathagata, and Amitabha Buddha can be called Amitabha Tathagata. Tathagata Buddha, however, is not correct. There is no such Buddha called Rulai. 5. I thought Rulaifo, Shakyamuni Buddha, and Amitabha Buddha were the same. Shakyamuni Buddha is the founder of Buddhism in our world. Amitabha Buddha presides over the Western land of bliss. In numerous sutras, Shakyamuni Buddha urges us to recite the name of Amitabha Buddha.
南无阿弥陀佛 Buddha